Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Mridul, Social Awareness Captain.
And I, Samiksha, Disciplinary Captain of the school. Today, we are here to aware you all about the most alarming concern of the school. It has been noticed that some students are creating indiscipline in the school premises, which is not acceptable.
School is a place where we learn the basic etiquettes and norm of our life, thereby builds our personality.
But it has been noticed many times that the students are not abiding the rules and the regulation of the school. Some students bully their mates just for the sake of fun.
This may also affect the mental health of that particular individual. It is necessary to keep this in mind that we all here like a family.
We need to take care of each other.
It is strict forbidden to bring any electronic gadget in the school campus.
Still, some students are not following the norms. Also, students needs to be in the proper school uniform with an adequate haircut as it determines your personality.
Social media has a huge impact on our lives. We must not misuse it. Use your time in a strict manner.
Furthermore, it has been observed many times that the students are not cooperating with each other. As you know, our school respects every religion, but it does not mean that you are allowed to carry weapons or heavy kadas in the school. If any student caught up not abiding the norms of the school will directly suspended from the school or a strict action would be taken against them.
Consider it as a last warning. We hope you all are mature enough to understand this issue. In case any student sees anyone creating indiscipline in the school, can inform the member of council or their respective class teacher. Thank you and have a nice day.